Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone from picking up background noise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is click on the search, type in the settings, click into system settings. Now click onto the system tab. To the right of that, click onto sound. Now from here we want to go ahead and choose your input. So I'm using my microphone here, so I want to click into it. Now we can see the input volume, so we want to go ahead and make sure that is set to 90. Now the next thing what we want to do is come down and click onto all sound devices. Then from here scroll down and choose your microphone you're using. So I'm using Fine microphone, so it should come up here. Here it is here, so click into that. Now if you've got under input settings, I don't have it on this machine, but there should be a option for audio enhancements down below here. So go ahead and click onto that, and then they'll have a little drop down menu and choose voice clarity. And then below that, you're going to have voice focus. So now this is what you want to go ahead. So audio enhancement, go ahead and choose voice clarity, and then voice focus. So this is going to reduce background noise to help your voice stand out clearly. Go ahead and turn that on.